Hello, I'm Danny Prestige, Certified Financial Planner and Financial Advisor here at Wood Financial Group. I'm here today with our monthly market update. We're going to talk about some major headlines that influenced the markets in April, and also going to give you some insight into what these developments mean to you as an individual investor. Now, data for consumer spending, which accounts for more than 2/3 of U.S. economic activity, was included in the first quarter GDP report released on April 30th. It showed consumer spending increasing at 0.3% annually, which is the slowest pace we've seen since the fourth quarter of 2009. The economy itself grew at 0.7% rate in Q1, which is its worst performance in the past 3 years. In the stock market, April ended with strong monthly gains, though U.S. equities closed lower on Friday, April 28th, with the Dow slipping slightly, and the S&P as well. The NASDAQ composite hit a record high before closing slightly lower at the end of the day. Now, it's important to notice that the three major index posted a monthly advance for April of about 1%. The S&P and Dow posted their fifth positive month out of 6, while the NASDAQ recorded its sixth straight monthly gain. Most of those gains came the last week in April, when stocks posted rapid rallies as corporate earnings season kept revealing strong performances from top global companies. Now, speaking of earnings season, this one's been strong so far, with Apple, Facebook, Tesla, and BP all reporting. More than 75% of companies were surpassing profit estimates, and about 70% were beating sales forecasts at the end of April. Experts say that the number of companies topping profit and sales estimates this first quarter was above the 5-year average. Now, you may wonder how quarterly corporate earnings are so strong while our economy expanded in the first quarter of the year at its slowest pace since 2014. It seems the substantial global growth is currently making up for the lack of domestic activity we're seeing. Analysis shows that the more business a U.S. company does overseas, the better their results have been. About 46% of S&P 500 sales overall come from foreign markets. And S&P companies that earn more than half of their revenue overseas are seeing earnings growth that is twice the rate of companies that do mostly domestic businesses at the moment. Now, the Federal Reserve's Policymaking Committee, following its early May meeting, announced, as we expected, that it would hold rates steady for the time being. Now, in the coming months, we're expecting more key economic data to be released, including the U.S. jobs report. Now, additionally, as lawmakers reached an agreement April 30th to keep the government funded until the end of September, the full House and Senate must still approve the bipartisan pact sometime in May. So we're going to keep our eye on that and keep you posted as those things develop. Now, feel free to give us a call if you have any questions, 615-826-5749, or make sure you check us out on Facebook. We're preparing for the summer, and we have a lot of things on hand that we're really excited about. So again, this is the monthly market update from Wood Financial Group. My name is Danny Prestige, and thank you for your attention.